All clear for dispatch. Enjoy your ride.
Whoa! What a wacky ride!
Welcome back. When the ride comes to a complete stop, please exit to your right and walk down the ramp. Thank you for riding Oscar's Wacky Taxi
Please push up on your
and
shirt.
enjoy the
Push
rest
up,
of your
push up.
day
Exit out to your
at
right. Thank
Sesame
you.
Place.
My favorite part of the day, when I get to say to you, beat it! Get lost! Scram!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Oscar's Wacky Taxi. Please keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times. Remain in your seats, secure all loose articles, and enjoy your ride.
Yeah, but don't enjoy it too much. We want you to scram as soon as it's over.
All clear for dispatch. Enjoy your ride.
When the ride comes to a complete stop, please exit to your right and walk down the ramp. Thank you for riding Oscar's
Everybody,
Wacky
please
Taxi
push up on your
and
shirt.
enjoy the
Push
rest
up,
of your
push up.
day
Exit
at
out to your
Sesame
right. Thank you.
Place.
My favorite part of the day, when I get to say to you, beat it! Get